Welcome to how to create a rocky text collision intro animation in Adobe After Effects. Hi, my name is Jonathan Lamb and I'm a game artist from London. In this class we'll learn to create one of these cool looking collision animations to use in your projects. Starting with how to add a natural rock texture to your text, I'll take you through all the tools and skills necessary for the project, including how to animate the text falling to the ground and how to add texture to your text. By the end of the training, you'll be able to create your own collision intro animations, which will be flexible and fully customizable. This class is perfect for designers, illustrators, and anyone else looking to have some fun creating some animated intros. So sign up and let's get started.